What is up, YouTube? Nimbus here, and so today we are going to do some errands. I think my brother wants me to go pick up some stuff for his motorcycle today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and bring you guys along with me. So I gotta stop by his job, pick up his credit card, and the list of the parts that he wants me to go pick up. Yeah, I'm gonna go stop by his job and I'll ask him what's up. So I'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright, what's up? So we made it, and I'm going to show you guys around. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to get the stuff. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little edit or clip or whatever of the shop. I've never actually been inside. The only one that's been inside is my brother, and I was like amazed at how many bikes they have in there. And I'm not really a bike person. I don't really know too much about bikes, but yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, there's some bikes that like are more my style, and it kind of makes me want to get a motorcycle, but to be honest, I probably won't, because I'm not a motorcycle type of guy. Maybe in the future, you know, people do change, but for right now, I'm just sticking to the four wheels. So yeah, I'll see you guys at home. I got some more stuff that I want to talk about. I don't know if this is gonna be like a little week vlog or whatever, or something, because I have something to tell you guys, but I'll tell you guys that once I get home. So I'll see you guys in a bit. that's gonna do it for this unboxing of the video. These are the large frame OG Veterano shades, and the other ones were the super dark OG Veterano shades. Those are smaller, these are obviously bigger. And I think for the next part of the video we're gonna go to Ross. I'm trying to cop a hat just because I'm trying to have something to match these with. I already bought one a couple days ago. It was a Colts. You guys might have seen it, or I guess you guys already saw it in the first part of this video. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get more colors. I'm gonna actually try and get more and add more to the collection. So that might be a little side hobby that I have other than the sneakers. But yeah, let's go and take a trip to Ross, and I'll take you guys along with me. Peace. Before we go to Ross, the only reason why I got these shades as well is because they're super dark, and they also got me feeling like
another proper track and it's fat. Watch the sniper. Time to pay the piper.
pretty cool Titans hat. This Raiders hat's actually pretty cool. It's got like a weird sticker thing. It's New Era, pretty decent. I think it might be too big, but I'll try it out. I think this might be too big. Kind of weird, but I like it. Yeah, I think I might get it. I like the bottom of the top. It's really nice. It's only, if it'll focus, $5. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a bit too, I don't want to say it's big, but it's alright for right now. Check this Nintendo shirt. It's pretty legit. It's official. Let's see how much this is. It's only $7. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Might have to come back for this though. Really like that. Got your Tommy Hilfiger, always nice to have. Price is a bit steep though, $25. Definitely gonna pass on that one. Pretty cool t-shirt I found. It's kind of like an American flag with the is that the Empire State Building? Could be wrong. Illuminati confirmed. Funny shirt. Shout out to them big guys though. Really nice. Price tag of $7. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Illuminati confirmed t-shirt. Pretty dope. $8. Found a Excuses Suck t-shirt from Nike. Pretty cool. Price tag $13 though. Pretty nice. I might have to come back from some of these shirts once I get my money. Wow, this is really nice too. Pretty dope.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get a white chocolate mocha frappuccino?
What size?
Venti, please.
Fancy white chocolate mocha crab. Anything else?
No, that'd be it.
Thank you. You can pull forward.
So apparently I got another package in the mail. Now, I don't know what it is, but let's unbox it real quick. Okay, so this is what was in the box. Nothing special. It's just spray paint that my dad ordered for a project that he's working on. So yeah, that was in the box. Kind of had an idea what it was, but yeah, nothing special. Just some spray paint. All right, so now let's go over the hats. This is a Raiders hat, and the symbol on this is pretty cool. It's like a metallic type of symbol on there. I've never seen these types of hats with these. Well, I mean, I've seen hats like these before, but not with like this shiny metallic stuff on it. There's a sticker, 7 7/8. It's really big on me, but I really couldn't pass it up just because the price on it was just. It was too good to pass up. If it'll focus, it was only $5. It was $5.50, I think, with tax. But what makes the hat is this Oakland, type thing on the bottom of the brim of the hat, which is pretty dope. And it's got like this fadeaway thing on there. It's got like little, polka dots, and got the new arrow symbol on there, and you got a little bit of a gold hint on the back with the NFL symbol. Pretty dope. And yeah, really good cop in my opinion. Really clean. This really sets it off, and I'm happy with the purchase. And for $5 you can't go wrong. Alright, so that's gonna do it for the video. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but the day is coming to an end, and it's getting kind of dark outside, or it's getting kind of cloudy. I think it's about to rain in a bit as well, so I'm gonna wrap things up here. Thanks for watching. Link in the description to all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yo, low-key, when Hobby Lobby ships better than Nike and Adidas when it comes to packaging, really dope. Yo, Nike and Adidas, you guys gotta get your packaging game on point, because Hobby Lobby's doing it. And yeah, they package this along with some spray paint, so I mean, that's pretty damn crazy. Shout out to Sophia one time. She's the one that packaged the spray paint. As you can see, your order was picked and packaged with pride by Sophia. So Sophia, thanks for packaging the spray paint really well. And yeah, thanks. One more thing before I go. So if you're not subscribed to the channel already, I highly recommend you do so, because you got some fireworks coming your way for this 4th of July weekend.